guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, let's take another look at this all-new Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, and we will be talking about the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon that will be a diesel that has been highly anticipated, and it has been confirmed it will be a diesel next year for 2021. But let's just talk about some of the details first. So the 2020 Jeep Gladiator is one of the most anticipated vehicles in recent memory. While Jeep hasn't made a pickup since the Comanche stopped production in 1992, Jeep has been teasing fans with concept trucks over the years. Now, 27 years later, the Jeep Gladiator has arrived. And as we look at B-roll of the full review that I did with my guy Javi Jeeps on the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, the Pentastar is currently the only engine offered in the Gladiator. Early next year, the 3.0-liter EcoDiesel will become available, but will only be offered with the automatic transmission. So people that have been speculating about the diesel engine coming, it will be here next year for 2021. We can't wait for that. The Gladiator has its own unique frame, and it's 204 inches long, or about 31 inches longer than a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The wheelbase for the Gladiator is 19.4 inches longer than the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, for a total wheelbase of 137 inches. This added length was needed to add the 5-foot steel bed, yet the Jeep Gladiator is only 400 pounds heavier than the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. So that video that I did on the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, the first Jeep video that I have ever done, you know, just seeing that Jeep in person, that Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, that thing is massive. And just to know that the wheelbase for the Gladiator is 9.4 inches longer than the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, and just to know that it is 400 pounds heavier than that Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, just goes to show you the massiveness of this Gladiator when you really think about it. Yes, it is longer. It doesn't look as beastie because it's not like a full Jeep Wrangler. It's more of a pickup. So the pickup, the bed at the back, the narrowness kind of gives it a slightly not so muscular look, but it definitely is heavier, and it definitely is longer. And you know, like I said, next year for 2021, I'm definitely going to do a review as quickly as it arrives at my dealership to bring that to you guys as quickly as I can. But you know, we will have that diesel. You guys tell me how this Jeep has now grown on you, or it hasn't grown on you. I've done a few videos on it, and you know, I did a video whether or not, you know, you guys felt it was an unattractive build. I got some comments on that, but as of now, I would like to hear what people think, my Jeep people out there. That I have a lot of people that are subscribed to me for my Jeep videos. I know that for a fact. So I just want to know, is this Jeep something that has now grown on you, and would you consider jumping on the new 2021 diesel engine that is now confirmed that will be out next year? Some other facts on this Jeep Gladiator Rubicon: compared to the Wrangler, the Gladiator also gets bigger brakes, axles, and a modified suspension. When properly equipped, the Gladiator can tow up to 7,650 pounds and haul up to 1,600 pounds of payload. That is incredible. To know that that Gladiator, the name speaks for itself, has great towing power and can just pull clearly over 7,000 pounds with ease. And at 6'3", I was able to just sit in this Gladiator with no problem. It is a very massive vehicle, and even for people a lot taller than me, you can definitely fit in this vehicle with no problem. It's just an all-around unique vehicle that has a lot of potential. And that is going to do it for this upload. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.